Let's get one thing straight. Building science isn't about magic. It's about physics. It's about managing heat, air, and moisture.
What if your walls could do more? Insulate, resist, and endure without compromise.
Rastra is just a material that tries to do this well. Think of it as a big, gray Lego block. It's made from a mix of recycled polystyrene and cement. This mixture is formed into hollow blocks. You stack them to build walls, place steel rebar, then fill the cores with concrete. Simple. It's a stay-in-place formwork system. Unlike typical insulated concrete forms, the formwork is a composite with structural and insulating properties. The form becomes part of the wall, adding strength and thermal performance.
Rastra's expanded polystyrene-cement composite delivers an R value that outperforms conventional CMU and wood frame systems, dramatically reducing thermal bridging and long-term energy loads.
Buildings use a lot of energy, mostly for heating and cooling. A dumb wall leaks heat. A smart wall holds it. The thermal performance of a Rastra wall comes from two things: insulation and thermal mass. The block is roughly 85% recycled EPS and 15% cement, THB, or toughened hybrid bond. EPS traps air in tiny pockets, slowing heat transfer. A 10-inch block rates around R24 from material alone. With plaster or stucco outside and drywall inside, the system is inherently airtight, cutting heat loss from air leakage.
The integrated matrix creates a continuous insulation envelope. No gaps, no weak points.
Now, the big one, thermal mass. During hot days, the heavy concrete core absorbs exterior heat, delaying its movement inward. At night, as the air cools, the core slowly releases stored heat back out. It acts like a thermal battery, smoothing daily peaks and valleys, especially where days are hot and nights are cool. Insulation slows heat transfer, mass absorbs and releases it, a 1-2 punch for efficiency. Rastra is breathable, about 12 perms, so vapor can pass through. That helps walls dry if they ever get wet. We control moisture 3 ways: keep rain out, stop air leakage, and manage interior vapor. Use a durable exterior finish, continuous air barriers at both sides, and a smart vapor retarder or latex paint to allow drying inside. It's classic building science. Keep rain out, stop air, let it dry. So what does this mean? Simple examples show significant energy savings. A monitored Lakeland, Florida home used 50% less cooling energy than a neighboring, same-size concrete block home. In colder climates, heating demand drops similarly. High insulation, high thermal mass, and low air leakage make HVAC run far less with steadier indoor temps. This performance is documented by field data, modeling, and reports like Oak Ridge National Laboratory, ORNL Con 445. It's a system, not just a product. No magic, just physics. Rastra is not just an insulator. It is a structural system. You create formwork for a concrete post and beam grid with horizontal and vertical steel. Then you fill the cores with concrete. The result is a monolithic, steel-reinforced concrete structure. The composite protects the core and provides a finish-ready surface. Walls can support multi-story loads. Strength depends on core mix, often 2,500 psi or higher. For lateral loads, the reinforced grid acts as shear walls, distributing forces and resisting racking. That's why insulated, reinforced concrete systems thrive in hurricane and seismic regions.
Structurally, Rastra's interlocking form system accepts reinforced concrete cores, achieving compressive strengths that meet and exceed seismic and wind load requirements across climate zones.
Design follows standard reinforced concrete codes, ACI 318 and the IBC, with ICC-ES evaluation reports like ESR 1249. Dowel vertical rebar into the footing to create a continuous load path to the foundation. At the top, a bond beam ties walls and provides bearing for roof trusses or floor joists. These concrete connections make the building act as one robust unit and are easier to form than traditional methods. For multi-story floors, use embedded ledger hangers or a cast-in ledge. It's standard engineering applied to a stay-in-place formwork system. Standard wood frame. A 2x6 with bats is around R19, with little thermal mass and many leakage points. It's also vulnerable to termites and rot. Rastra's inorganic composite isn't. Rastra brings higher R, massive thermal mass, and inherent air tightness. Standard CMU is a thermal bridge unless you add insulation, another step and cost. Rastra integrates insulation and mass, placing the concrete core inside the insulation where it stabilizes interiors. CMU is strong, but a reinforced Rastra grid creates a more monolithic lateral system. Most ICFs are foam panels with ties, excellent systems with great performance. Rastra's cement polystyrene composite is tougher on site and more fire-resistant than raw foam. Stucco can go directly on Rastra. Foam ICFs often need a mesh layer. Choose based on availability, crew experience, and project goals. Both Rastra and foam ICFs outperform wood frame or uninsulated CMU. Quiet, comfortable, efficient, durable. They harness insulated, reinforced concrete to deliver real-world results. Let's look at a real house in Albuquerque. Hot days, cool nights, perfect for testing thermal mass. Owners wanted comfort and efficiency with simple mechanicals, so they chose 10-inch Rastra exterior walls. They leaned on passive design, good orientation, proper window shading, and a high-performance envelope. The builder installed sensors on exterior and interior wall surfaces and in ambient indoor and outdoor air. Over a summer week, the west wall's outside surface swung from about 70 degrees in the morning to over 140 degrees in late sun. Yet the interior surface barely moved, about 72 degrees to 75 degrees. That's thermal lag, measured here at roughly 8 to 10 hours. By the time exterior heat could arrive inside, the night air was cool and the wall bled heat back out. The small AC ran only intermittently, even on the hottest days. Bills came in dramatically lower than comparable nearby wood frame homes. Insulation slowed heat. Mass stored and released it, delivering a remarkably stable interior. This isn't an outlier. It's the physics you can measure. Combine high R value and high thermal mass, and you get what lightweight walls can't replicate. Designing with Rastra isn't complicated. Think like a concrete builder, not a wood framer. Account for 10, 12, or 14-inch walls in plans, affecting net area and opening details. Embrace deep openings. They add beauty and passive shading. Designed to the block module, standard blocks are about 10 feet long to minimize cutting and waste. Common foundations, slab-on-grade or frost walls, embed vertical dowels and extend into the first course. Make the first course perfect. It pays off all the way up. Pour a continuous bond beam and wet set anchor bolts for trusses or tie-downs, resisting uplift. Form lintels with U-blocks, add rebar per design, and fill during the wall pour. No separate headers. For floors in multi-story, embed ledger hangers or cast a ledge. Brace walls properly and use a pre-pour checklist. Plan twice, pour once. Finish choices. Traditional 3-coat stucco bonds well to the composite. Install a weep screed to drain. A ventilated rain screen with siding is also excellent. Airtightness hinges on interfaces. Seal foundation to wall, roof to wall, and every penetration. Use quality sealants, tapes, and gaskets. Taped drywall is your interior air barrier. Stucco WRB is your exterior. Let walls dry to the inside with latex paint. Avoid impermeable interior finishes. In very cold zones, consult on vapor barriers. Sequence flashing, sill, then jams, then head, shingled to shed water. Use effective R value that accounts for mass, not just lab R. Start at R30 for 10-inch. In wide day-night swings, R36 or higher is realistic. A 12-inch wall, start at R38. U values drop to roughly 0.03 versus 0.05 for a standard 2x6. Lower U means smaller loads and smaller, cheaper HVAC. Evaluate installed and lifecycle costs. Energy savings, lower maintenance, and durability often win.
One material, 2 performance pillars, engineered to spec. For architects and engineers designing to lead, passive house, or high-performance benchmarks, Rastra delivers the thermal mass and structural resilience your projects demand, with a simplified build sequence that reduces labor hours on site.
Benefits: exceptional energy performance, high insulation and mass, outstanding structural strength, wind, seismic and fire resistance, durability and quiet interiors. Limits: higher upfront costs, a learning curve, availability of experienced crews, and thicker walls reducing net area. Next steps: get the data, ICC-ES, ESR 11249, and lab reports. Ensure your engineer is confident with reinforced concrete. Detail rebar clearly. Talk to experienced installers and visit a project. Rastra is good building science, put into practice.